Hi, it's me again with Quill Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Just last night I drew this on a video, and this goes under the statement of you never know till you try. Look at that pattern. This is the same pattern with white lines. Recognize the shape? So I was sitting there watching TV after I did this right here, and I thought, you know what? That's going to work. So this is all grouped together. I can hit P, put it in the center of the page, which is going to help tremendously. And then, so this is our shape that we're going to fill in right here. But I thought, what if we take a 3-point curve line and go somewhere to about there and then give it some curve? Okay. Now, at first I thought I'm going to fill that in with a different color or delete this, but then they wouldn't really fit together. So since we're working in the center of the page, I'm going to go Control D, Alternate C, and rotate that line 120 degrees. Control D. Now let me see how big this thing is so I can nudge stuff out of the way while we're huge. So let's make our nudge factor like 20. And let's take well, this is all grouped together, so it doesn't matter. Maybe I'll use a different color this time. Even though that blue came out really good, I'm going to use burnt orange. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in these, and I'm only going to fill in one because I'm going to get and this is going to show you how it would make it the same. Make this darker or lighter. I'm not saying I'm right or wrong by doing this. This might be a good one to clone. So that looks pretty good. So now Control D, Alternate C, rotate it 120 degrees, Control D. So all three of those are equal. So we can nudge this out of the way. This is our part, Control G. Now, I need to know the distance so I can just use this one right here as my judge because I just drew it. So I'm going to get the parallel dimension tool and go from that quadrant to that node, 1734. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 17.34. And I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over. Now, I look at it, there's a faint little line in there. I don't think it's going to matter, so let's make our nudge factor 17.32 and then do it. And the line's kind of gone. Well, it's up in here, but I'm going to add lines possibly anyway. So then I'm going to Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, just like in the previous video, I like working in the up and down location, so I'm going to hit G, Control D to duplicate it and rotate it 90 degrees. I didn't need to make a duplicate. And now I'm going to take this. I'm actually going to, now that I've got my measurement, I'm going to go ahead and shrink this down so it won't be so big. And because there's really no lines. Now, at first I thought it ain't going to work. But then after I moved a couple of nodes around and I saw that appear, now you can see my white lines a little more permanent. Control G, Control D. We're going to grab that node right there and have it snap to it. Once you get it done the first time. So 2 ways we can get rid of these lines. They're just fine little bitty lines. Well, I'm off a little bit on that one. Let's back up here. You can't change that. I just didn't hit the nudge good. Nope, on either one of them. So I'm just going to back up completely. Okay. Make sure there's just one of these, and there's 2. So I'm going to go Control D, and I'm just going to make sure I get the nudge this time, or the snap to better. See, I'm still not there. There's so much, I think it's so much going on. That's a better. Control D. Well, you know what? I'm going to delete that control. I can see those lines from here. Control G, Control D. Now, there is probably a mathematical way to do this, but I'm not worried about it. So we can get rid of the lines by selecting it all and use that color we used, that orange, and the lines go away. So that's how you kind of get this shape, which is cool in itself, but then you could add, make them white lines or black lines. I like the white better. And that's a pretty cool pattern. Just, this is what I call just by accident. You know, you'll never know what it looks like till you try it. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.